In this video, I am going to show you how to download OLED TV on your Fire Stick easily and quickly. First, turn on your Fire Stick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings in the top menu and select My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options and ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This setting allows you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Now return to the home screen and use the search function to find the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed, download and install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open the Downloader app and enter the URL for the OLED TV APK file from a trusted source. Then click Go to start the download. After the download is complete, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to install OLED TV on your Fire Stick. Once the installation is finished, you can open the app and start enjoying your favorite live TV channels and content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.